Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP is still in the local support zone, but the triangle pattern here definitely broke to the downside. So I can actually take the sideways range out. Price did react to resistance though, but we're still in the support zone. So it is possible that XRP forms a low in this region. The orange support zone, yeah, it's held or it's been holding now since this top in July. So it is quite a strong support zone, but the market was never able to really move away from it. So we've never had really this rally away from support. Never an impulsive rally or anything. It's just basically sideways movement. And now we've broken below the previous swing lows, but we're still holding the support range. The idea in this chart is that XRP is moving in a very, very long-term sideways range, possibly a triangle pattern. The specifics around the triangle, they are basically that a triangle pattern consists only of corrective structures, which is why I have labeled the C wave here as an WXY structure. Yep, it could also be an ABC itself, but it looks more like, I mean, one wave of a triangle is typically more complex, and I can tell you this really does look quite complex. So it looks more like a WXY pattern, and if one of the waves in a triangle is this WXY, it often is a C wave. So that's possible, but within that C wave, then we've got this WXY, and the X wave itself could have been a triangle, not anymore, okay, not with a break below the previous swing lows, but the X wave can be a WXY itself. Now that takes us into very dangerous territory, because having a WXY in an X wave, I mean, is possible, but then you're getting to a point where it's just simply try to find a pattern that fits, because it's very complex then. And it could easily still turn into something different. What is more important here than the micro counting is watching the levels. A break below 37 cents indicates that probably a more bearish scenario is going to take the lead. And I will tell you which one that most likely is going to be. Until then, as long as we're holding that 37 cent level, it is possible to see a rally in the Y wave. But first of all, this correction needs to be completed. I mean, that would be sort of in line with Bitcoin, which also should complete its wave 4 correction in the current price region and could then experience a rally to, roughly 90K plus, yeah. And that is what XRP could do as well. It's just that XRP hasn't really participated in anything in 2023. Now, looking at the support region then, if that's the 37 cent level, we should hold that. If not, then I have to start to assume that in this larger pattern, the B wave that presumably finished in June 22 is still unfolding, which means that we might see a new bear market low. So the 37 cent level is critical support. It's a 78.6 retracement level, and that's really a level that the price shouldn't break and sustain below. Because if that happens, then it indicates that, yeah, a much more bearish perspective needs to be adopted. And as I said, this would be probably a lower B wave. Now, where could that lower B wave take us then? So the count would be A, B, C. And then from here, we can carry on with this triangle. So it wouldn't be, super bearish, but then again, please consider what that might mean. It doesn't look much maybe on this chart, but from a price point of view, it could easily mean that we're going to test maybe here the only support level basically left below the 37 cent level anyway, which is our support. Well, the main level down there is 21 cents, because it should be, if this is an A, B, C in wave B, the last low should be below the previous one. So I'm going to watch then probably like the 20 cent mark if we really get a sustained break below 37. But we'll see. We're not there yet. Okay, we're not there yet. I don't want to create panic here, but truth is, this chart hasn't really moved impulsively in a very long time. It's only moving in corrective structures. Whenever something looks like an impulse, it's turning into a correction. And that's just very characteristic of such a triangle pattern. That's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.